There's breaking news just coming in after Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said that he will not get vaccinated and call it a BJP vaccine. UP Health Minister Jai Pratap Singh has now invited Akhilesh for a vaccination shot. He even called Akhilesh an immature politician. Listen it.
अभी उनके अंदर बहुत बचपना है, राजनीति करने का उनको अभी अंदाजा नहीं है। राष्ट्रीय मुद्दा पर और स्वास्थ्य से खिलवाड़ नहीं करना चाहिए। इतने हल्का बयान देने से नुकसान उन्हीं का होगा। इसलिए हम तो चाहेंगे, क्योंकि आपने मान लीजिए वैज्ञानिकों का अपमान किया, आपने इन देश के अंदर जितने भी स्वास्थ्यकर्मी हैं, डॉक्टर से लेकर नीचे वार्ड बॉय तक, जिन्होंने अपने मेहनत से 24 घंटा इस पिछले 10 महीना के अंदर कोविड का नियंत्रण किया, उनको स्वयं सहयोग करना चाहिए और सहयोग करके आगे आना चाहिए और बोलना चाहिए कि जब भी टीकाकरण आएगा तो हम लोग भी उसमें सहयोग करेंगे और लगाएंगे, तब एक अच्छा संदेश जाता है।
Let's now listen into what Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav had said yesterday.
देखिए, मैं तो नहीं लगवाऊंगा अभी वैक्सीन, मैंने अपनी बात कह दी, और वो भी बीजेपी लगाएगी उसका भरोसा करूंगा मैं? अरे जाओ भाई, अरे अपनी सरकार आएगी सबको फ्री वैक्सीन लगेगी, हम बीजेपी का वैक्सीन नहीं लगवा सकते।
Abhishek Mishra is now joining us. Abhishek, there's too much politicking going on this particular vaccine front ever since Covaxin and Covishield got a nod. Samajwadi Party calling this a BJP vaccine. Then you've got the BJP inviting him to come take a shot. What's going on in terms of the politicking? Because, whatever they say, at the end of the day, it is the experts, scientists and the doctors whose opinion matters and the approval committee whose approval matters.
Well, certainly, Chaiti, this whole approval which has come just today, and we have seen how Akhilesh Yadav yesterday raised questions, calling it a BJP vaccine. He will not take the shot. And now, speaking to India Today, Health Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Jai Pratap Singh, has invited actually on record and saying that he should come and take this vaccine and rather cooperate instead of asking questions. He is in a way, insulting the scientists and all those medical staff and the people who are behind this vaccine. Well, Chaiti, certainly this whole, approval, then, Samajwadi Party chief raising questions is getting politicized here. And on the other hand, we have seen the BJP leaders, all the leaders are saying that, he's just merely doing for his benefit for the upcoming elections. But we've also seen the opposition also coming in favor of the vaccine. The TMC has also said, the Congress also is saying the same. So certainly Akhilesh Yadav comment is going to be taken very critically by all these leaders. But as far as the campaign of this vaccine is concerned, on one hand, we have seen yesterday the dry run, and now the government and the administration is trying to, make this exercise effective. It's going to affect that campaign as well. But certainly the politicizing this issue, Akhilesh Yadav has come on the radar of the ministers and, of course, of the other leaders as well. Yes.
Thanks, Abhishek, for joining us for the details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.